Batiin ko lang yung aming mga kaklase ko nung elementary at class officer namin ng 2 school years o 2 academic year na may birthday sa October 18. So, happy birthday to Ruth Flores Estrada. So, hanggat naalala ko pa yung birthday mo, mauna na akong bumati kasi baka makalimutan ko pa. Wishing you good health and more birthdays to come. At sana kung ano man yung ginagawa mo, nakakatuwang makita yung iyong mga post sa TikTok at kung sa Facebook at sa social media accounts. You're enjoying life with your family. So, sana magtuloy-tuloy yun. At saka sana this coming birthday of yours, tuloy-tuloy ang blessings, whether materially and spiritually. So, more birthdays to come and God bless.